Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problems step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a method through which you guys can check your age on TikTok. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on, shall we? So first step, you want to click on profile at the bottom right corner of your screen after opening TikTok and come on your TikTok profile. Once you're over here at the top right corner, you can see the three line at the top. Click on it. Once you do that, a pop-up menu will open up. Now once it opens up, you can click the last option where it says settings and privacy. Click on it. Now once you click on settings and privacy, there's no button you can just click to see your age. You need to download your TikTok data in order to see your TikTok age. So over here, click on manage accounts, and over here you can see the option called download your data. You want to click on it. Now once you're over here, you can choose what you want to download. At the bottom you can see the file format. I want it to be on a TXT format, so I'm going to choose that. Click on request data. Once I do that, a request data will be sent, and once the request data is accepted by TikTok, I can come back to over here and go on the download data section. Once I go to the download data section, the download data is going to be over here. I can download it and I can see my TikTok age and my other data. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can check your age on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.